Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking around this Audi approved used vehicle. So the vehicle featured today is this approved used Audi Q3 Sportback S-Line 35 TDI with the S-tronic gearbox. And this particular example is also finished in the optional Mythos Black metallic paintwork, which is really give it that standout appearance. Now, as we look towards the key features, and with this being the S-Line trim level, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional S-Line styling at the front and also the rear and the side profile. With the S-Line package, you also get those chrome accents at the rear and also around the windows. Moving towards the front of the vehicle now, we find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Moving down towards the wheels now, we find these exceptional 5 split-spoke design twin-spoke alloys finished in the satin aluminium, in which you complement the black paint. To the side of the Q3 Sportback now, we find that lovely sloping roofline, accompanied by the rear privacy glass, in which does keep the rear occupants from view. Now moving into the rear boot space of the Q3 Sportback, we find up to 530 litres of storage space. This is a large amount for a sloping SUV of this size. This can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases and a few additional shopping bags. Moving into the rear seats now, we find a full leather interior with the additional bias stitching to complement. There is also a leather centre armrest, which is fold down to present 2 useful cup holders, and there are Isofix points neatly located across the back row, where there's also more than enough leg space to accommodate 3 occupants in the rear. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and high quality interior, with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, alcantara, aluminium and gloss black. With this being the S-Line model, it does mean you get the full leather seats, in which are of a sporty design and do feature the S-Line logos on both front seats. Above now, we find the virtual cockpit, in which does feature the Audi Sport digital rev counters, and when pressing the view button on the left hand side, you can change the view of this overall display. To the centre of the dashboard now, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, in which does feature the satellite navigation, as well as having access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And moving just below this now, we find the equally impressive dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable and does have a digital screen. And either side of this, you will find the heated seat functionalities for both front occupants. To the screen above once again, we find the reversing camera, as well as the front and rear parking sensors, to make this Q3 much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.